Hello, and let's have a look at the answers to test number 3 in economics. Firstly, on allocative efficiency, we have producing computers over here and the marginal benefit of each additional computer which declines as we have more and more computers, and marginal cost of each additional computer which rises as we have more computers. If we produce 2 million computers, here if we produce 2 million computers, the marginal benefit of an additional computer is still higher, is still greater than the marginal cost of an additional computer. So to move towards allocative efficiency, we need to increase the production of computers. Actually, allocative efficiency will be achieved at 3 million computers. That's where marginal cost equals marginal benefit. Next question on shifting the production possibilities frontier. If a hurricane devastates part of New Orleans, what can we say about the production possibilities frontier? It actually shifted inwards, as it might have destroyed some capital, destroyed some factories. Next question, we have capital goods and consumption goods and two countries, A and B, producing at these points. What do we know about these countries? What we know is that in this situation, at the moment, country A is consuming less than country B, but it's producing more of the capital goods. It means that in future, production possibilities for country A will expand faster, or country A will experience a greater economic growth in future while consuming less today. Next, on opportunity cost, we have production possibilities frontier in the form of a table rather than a chart, rather than a graph. And we see that country A is producing 4 units of X, that's 4 units of X, and 8 units of Y, while country B is producing 4 units of X and 6 units of Y. How about the opportunity cost of producing more of the goods? Looking, for example, at good Y, we know that country A will have a lower opportunity cost of producing good Y. For example, producing more of good Y over here, shifting upwards, increases production of Y by 4 units while losing 2 units of production of X. That's the opportunity cost of half of X for each additional Y. While for country B, the opportunity cost of increasing the production of Y, moving from 6 to 9, that's extra 3 Ys, for the cost of 2 X's is higher. That's the opportunity cost of 2/3 in this case, which is greater than 1/2. Next, on specialization, in 1 week Alice can produce 5 pairs of shoes or 4 bookshelves, while Roger can produce 10 pairs of shoes and 6 bookshelves. How should Alice specialize? She should specialize in the production of the good with lower opportunity cost. For Alice, for her, bookshelves are cheaper than for Roger. 1 bookshelf for Alice costs about 1.2 pairs of shoes, whereas for Roger, 1 bookshelf costs about 1.667 of bookshelves. That's 10 divided by 6. So the opportunity cost of bookshelf for Alice is cheaper. That's what she should specialize in. And the last question on opportunity cost. Alice can produce, again, 5 pairs of shoes or 4 bookshelves, while Roger can produce 10 pairs of shoes or 6 bookshelves. The opportunity cost for Alice of producing 1 pair of shoes in number of bookshelves, at the same time, while producing 5 pairs of shoes, she could have produced only 4 bookshelves. So 4 divided by 5, that's 0.8, or 80% of a bookshelf is the opportunity cost of producing 1 pair of shoes.